Multi-year trial balance in Busy. In Busy, there are many reports that help a lot with analysis and decision making. One of those reports is the multi-year trial balance. With this report, you can view the trial balance across multiple years in Busy, which is very helpful for making comparisons. Let's check this report in Busy. First, let's check the financial year in this company. For that, we will go to the administration, change financial year, and see multiple financial years are available in this company. Now, to check the report, we will go to the display and click on the trial balance. In this section, you will find an option closing trial balance alphabetical and grouped. Multi-year option available in both the formats. For now, let's click on the closing trial alphabetical and select the balance only option. A window will appear where you can choose between all accounts, group of accounts, and selected accounts. Currently, we will select all accounts. In the next screen, we will specify the report date and select the account to be shown. The third option is show zero balance account, in which, if set to yes, displays accounts with a balance of 0 in the trial balance report. Similarly, if you want to check the parent group of the accounts, you will set this option to yes as well. Now, let's move on to compare values with last year. Here you can choose 1 year, 2 year or 3 year to compare your trial balance report with the previous financial year in Busy. You can select a maximum of 3 financial years. After that, click OK. By doing this, the report will open, displaying the closing balances of all accounts categorized by financial years. Additionally, it will show the percentage differences in amounts. These reports are very helpful for analyzing businesses and making informed decisions, allowing you to observe fruitful insights. For more such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.